Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel Belagali's class. Belagali's class. My friends, now we have started with quadratic equation and we have done many things about quadratic equations. Today I am going to almost complete these quadratic equations. Now we arrive to the stage to discuss what? Nature of roots of the equation. See my friends, once again, this is the quadratic equation in which a not equal to 0, comma, b, comma, c, they are real numbers. Solution of this, it is a formula method, my friends. It is a formula to solve the equation, to find the roots. What is the formula? X equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. My friend, if this is the equation, this is the formula to solve this equation. Formula to solve this equation. Remember, this is known as formula to solve or formula method, in which this expression b square minus 4ac denoted by capital D or delta, my friends. I told about this also. This is either delta or capital D equal to b square minus 4ac. This is known as discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. Then the nature of roots of this equation depends on the value of D. Therefore, to discuss the nature of roots of the quadratic equation, first we have to find the value of D, capital D, b square minus 4ac. After finding this, the value of D will decide the nature of the roots. Value of D. What are the cases there exist? D may be positive, greater than 0. If D is positive, roots are real and distinct. That is understood. The roots of the quadratic equation are real and distinct means different. D equal to 0. If D equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If this part is 0, equal means what? To get what? Minus b by 2a repeated. They are the two roots of the quadratic equation when d is 0. D is negative. Roots are not real. Not real means then the mathematicians introduce another new number, that is imaginary number. With the help of that, they introduce what? Complex numbers and all. That part we will study with the next higher class, B.M.Belagali first year. You have a complete one chapter on complex numbers. My friend, this is the special case. What is it? D is a perfect square. If D is a perfect square, then what is square root of D? Square root of D is not irrational, it is rational. Square root of D is rational. Therefore, roots are rational and different. In this case, this root D, square root of D, what is it? If it is a perfect square, square root of D is rational. Square root of D, D square, square root, D itself, D is rational. Therefore, the roots are rational and different. Therefore, the value of D decides the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. My friends, this is the summary up to this. What is it? Quadratic equation, formula method to solve it. It is a formula. This is discriminant. The value of the discriminant decides the nature of roots of the equation. D positive, real, distinct. D 0, real, equal. D negative, roots are not real. If D is a perfect square, root D is rational. When the root D means this is rational, my friends, this part is rational. What is numerator divided denominator? Entire thing becomes what? Rational. Therefore, in this case, the roots are rational and different. So, this, my friends. Already, I have done one example in the previous video. One example I have done. I do under 1 or 2, then some examples, exercise. Then, yes, under 1 or 2 varieties of examples are there. See, my friend. This is the second example. Solve the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 by using formula, or sometimes they mention formula method. Formula method means that, my friends, x equal to c. Comparing this given equation with standard. Standard means this should dance in our mind. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing a 3, b minus 5, c is to, I have written. Discriminant d, b square minus 4ac minus 5 the whole square minus 4 into a into c. 25. 12 into 2, 24, 25 minus 24 is 1, positive. When d is positive, roots of the quadratic equation are real and distinct. So, roots are minus b plus minus square root. We have taken that b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac as a capital D. Therefore, putting that value, you get what? X equal to minus b plus minus root t upon 2a. Substitute the values. Minus b minus with this minus is plus 5 plus minus. D is 1. What is capital D? Is 1. Is 1. Therefore, x equal to 1. Now 5 plus 1 upon 6. 6 by 6. 5 minus 1. 4 upon 6. 6 by 6 is 1. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. Therefore, my friends, these are the roots. These are the roots. This is the method of solving or method of finding the roots by using formula method. Yes, my friend, this is one example. Next, the second example is this same title formula 3x square minus 4 into root 3 into x plus 4 equal to 0. Comparing a, this is b, this is c, d, b square minus 4ac, square it, minus 4 into a into c. Simplify, minus 4 the whole square, root 3 the whole square, minus. It is 4 into 4 is 16 into 3. What is this? 48 minus 48 each here. When d is 0, by the case, we have done all these things. Roots are real and equal. So therefore, roots are x equal to, when d is 0, when this part is 0, you get what? Minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a. Put the values. Minus with minus. 4 root 3 upon 2a. A is 3. 2 cancels. 2 into root 3 upon 3. If you want to write that itself, what is it? Therefore, the roots are 2 into root 3 by 3. It is repeated. 2 into root 3 by 3. If you want to simplify, it is 2 into root 3. This 3 can be written as what? Root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 cancels. 2 by root 3 repeated. Now you have two real and equal roots. This is second example, my friends. Now these are the examples. You do it yourselves. 1, 2, 3. And one more thing, my friends, for both the times means what? In March 2019 as well as J 2019, these are the two question papers. Both the year you have examples on formula method, both years. Not only in both years, the question papers given by SSLC board, they have given two model question papers, model question paper 1 and model question paper 2. Even in these two cases also, you have examples on formula method. From this statistics, my friends, examples on this are important. Doesn't mean they never go with what? Examples 10.2, 10.1, even 10.3 also by factorization method, by making what? Perfect square. Two methods already we have done. Even they may ask examples on those two methods. But I told what the statistics question papers of previous this. Even I do 2020 while doing that example I do, that is March 2020. This example I do. Even this example is also what? Based on this only. This only. So this, my friends, statistics tells what? Tells what? Important on this. Have concentration on this questions from the question papers as well as what? Model question papers. Yes, my friends, I give 1 minute. Copy it. Copy it. Yes, my friends, perfect. Yes, I remove this example. I do an example where D is a negative. Where D is a negative. And these example are for your information given when most of the examiners are given under 2 mark, 1 or 2 given under 3 mark question, 3 mark question, 2 mark question. My friends, another is x square minus 3x plus 10 equal to 0. Plus 10 equal to 0. Comparing A is 1, coefficient of x square. B is minus 3. C is plus 10. Discriminant D. B square minus 3 the whole square. Minus 3 is the whole square. Minus 4. A is 1. C is 10. What is this? It is 9. Minus 40. Minus 40 means it gives what? Minus 31. Then D is negative. D is negative. Roots of the quadratic equation are not real. They are not real. When the roots are not real, there is no question of finding what? Roots. There is no question of finding the roots. Finding the roots. Yes, my friends, those 3 examples. Do it. Oh. Yes, friends, I do next type. Again, all these examples are from exercise 10.3, my friends. These are the examples 10.3. 10.3. Not 3, my friends. These are nature of the roots means what? Formula method. Yes, then this is the nature of roots. 10.4 exercise 10.4. 10.4 nature of the roots. 10.4. Yes, friends, you have one type of examples based on this. What is this? If D is 0, discriminant is 0, roots are real and equal. Reverse it. If the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal, then D is 0. Reversing. That reverse, I write it as a what? Note. Note, my friends. What is it? Note. If the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal, then discriminant D equal to 0. Discriminant D equal to 0 implies D is what? B square minus 4AC is 0. Discriminant is 0 means B square minus 4AC is 0. Yes, my friends. Even you have examples based on this. See, my friends. This is examples appeared in March 2020, this year. March 2020, my friends. Question is this. Find the value of discriminant of the equation, quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. It is the example appeared in March 2019. Same, my friends. Okay. And discuss the nature of the roots. Discuss nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. My friend, this is appeared in 2020 under 2 mark question. 1 mark for discriminant, another mark for what? To discuss the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. Yes, my friends. I do here. Discriminant. Otherwise, first write. Comparing with A. Comparing with standard equation, A is 2, B is minus 5, C is 3, my friend. Discriminant B square minus 4AC, 25 minus 4 into 2 into 3, what is it? 8 into 3 is 24, it is 25 minus 24 is 1, 1 is positive. Actually, it is what? 1 square, which is 1 square. Therefore, D equal to 1. 1 means it is what? 1 square. 1 square. This implies what? D is a perfect square. D is a perfect square. Perfect perfect square. Perfect square means what? That special case. What is the special case? Roots are, nature of the roots, this is. Discriminant is what? 1. Discriminant is 1. This is the nature of the roots, 1 square. D is a perfect square, therefore, roots of the equation. Roots are real. With this you have to add one more, rational and different, distinct. Yes, my friends. Sometimes they expect this rational also. Why? This 1 is nothing but a perfect square. Therefore, you know the values. One is 1, another is 2 by 3. Both are what? Rational roots. Rational roots. Yes, my friend. Another example. Another example. Find the discriminant. Find the discriminant, only discriminant. Discriminant of the equation D of, discriminant of px square general, px square plus qx minus r equal to 0. Yes, my friend, comparing. What is your A is P. This is Q. This is minus R. B square minus 4AC. You have to find only discriminant. No nature of the roots. No nature of the roots. What is B square? Q square minus 4 A P. C is minus R. Therefore it is Q square minus of minus plus 4 PR. Just the friend wanted discriminant of this quadratic equation. Only discriminant. Yes, my friends. Next example. Next example. Sometimes they go like different, another one. That another one depends on this. They state what roots are equal. Then you want to find the value of unknown. Unknown means some k. Yes. This is the example. Find the value of k. This is the example, my friends. Find the value of k. Value of k if the roots are equal, if the roots of the quadratic equation, that quadratic equation is this: 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0, plus 3 equal to 0 has equal roots. Has equal roots. What is first, my friend? You have to write A is 2. What is B? Is K. What is C? Is 3. Is 3. Roots are equal. Roots are equal implies discriminant D is 0. Discriminant D is 0. D is 0 means what, my friend? B square minus 4AC is 0. 4AC is 0. Substitute the values. Substitute the values. Values. Yes. B square, K square, B square, K square minus 4 AC. A is 2. C is 3 equal to 0. So it is what? k square minus 8 into 3, 24 is 0. Therefore, value of k square is 24. 24 can be written as, it is 4 into 6. Then what is the value of k? K plus minus 2 into root 6. 2 into root 6. Yes, my friends. One more is there. One more is there. Find k. Second example. Find k. That is unknown. If the roots of the equation roots of the equation, this is kx into x minus 2 equal to 0. No. Plus 3 equal to 0 has equal roots. Equal roots. Yes, my friends, copy it. Has equal roots. Yes, my friends. What is given? Roots of the quadratic equation are equal. Roots are equal. Implies discriminant d is 0. D is 0 means what? B square minus 4ac is 0. My friends, this should simplify. What is it? Kx square. Kx into minus 2kx plus 3 equal to 0. Tell, what is A? K. What is B? Minus 2k. What is C? Is 3. C is 3. Now D equal D is B square minus 4ac. B square 4k square minus 4 into my friends, this is 0. Implies B square minus 4 2k whole square minus 4 into AC k into 3 it is k into 3 equal to 0. 4 common. It is k square minus 3k is 0. Taking that side, what is this? It is what? K square minus 3k. 4 you have to take that side. It is k square minus 3k equal to 0. K is common. K minus 3 is 0. From this, my friends, you are writing what? Either k is 0 or k minus 3 is 0. So, what is the value of k from this? 3. Therefore, the values of k are what? Either 0, otherwise k equal to 3. Yes, my friends. It is another example based on if the roots are equal, discriminant is 0. discriminant is here. Discriminant is here. Yes, my friends. This finishes examples on this formula method, nature of roots. We have done separate examples on formula method. Then to discuss the nature of the roots of quadratic equation, these are the natures. We have done some of the examples and given what? Some of the examples to do it yourself. Okay? Yes, my friends. As a last part of this quadratic equation, I do some examples, type, objective type, as well as what? 1 mark questions. Objective type as well as 1 mark questions. They are important. Then, lastly, I do 3 or 4 examples of whatever IIT, JEE, some 3-4 examples, sample examples from your portion, and even 1 or 2 examples are there in your NCERT book. Even in your book also. Yes, my friends, I hope it is copied. Yes, my friends, I do some examples. Objective type. Yes, we have done examples even. Exercise 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, finally 10.4. Yes, if any 1 or 2 examples are there, just I will go at the end. Yes, my friends, these are objective type. Objective type questions. Objective type questions. And 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions. Yes, my friends, these are objective type as well as 1 mark type questions. First example or question 1. First, I will have a concentration what we have already. Yes. Values of K. Values of K for which the quadratic equation 2x squared minus kx plus k equal to 0 has equal roots. Is dash. These are, first option is 0, second option is 4, third option is 8, and fourth option is 0 and 8. My friends have not written, this is A, this is B, like this I have not written, this is C, this is D, my friends. 4 options are there, A, B, C. Then you have to mark which is correct. Yes, my friend, actually objective, no need of writing all these things. Support if you want, write A, B is minus K, C is K, equal roots. Roots are equal, implies, say, what is it? B equal to B square minus 4AC is 0. What is B square minus K the whole square? Minus 4 into A 2. C is k is 0. So it is k square minus 8k is 0. K is common, my friends. It is k minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, either k is 0 or k minus 8 is 0. K minus 8 is 0. From this, what is? You get k equal to 0 or k equal to 8. Therefore, what are the values of k? 0 and 8. K equal to 0 and 8. Which option is the answer? This option is the answer. D. D is the option. D is the option. D is the option. Yes, my friends, this is one. Next one. Next one. C. Second example. Second example. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, 0 has equal roots. Has equal roots, then the value of c equal to dash. These are the options, my friend. Minus b by 2a plus b by 2a minus b square by 2a and plus b square by 2a. These are options. See how they search for new examples. This is usual k, same type. See the value of c, Tell friend. Again what? Roots are equal. Again what? Roots are equal. Given roots are equal. Roots are equal. Discriminant d is 0. D is 0 means what? B square minus 4ac is 0. Then you have to simplify this. You have to simplify this and get the value of c. Get the value of c. Get the value of c. Yes, my friends, this is given b square minus 4a. This is b square upon 4a. Yes. D is 0. This is 0. So shifting that side, b square equal to 4ac. So b square upon 4a is c. Therefore, what is the value of c then? The fourth option is the correct answer. Fourth option, this is the correct answer. Correct answer. The same question, it is appeared under 1 mark question. Same example. It is under 1 mark question. One mark question. Same example. Yes. If the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has equal roots, then find c in terms of A and B. Same question. In terms of A and B. C. C is in terms of A and B. The same question, it is 1 mark question, my friends. 1 mark question. Right. Next one. Yes. Copy it. Next is this. If the quadratic equation mx square plus 2x plus m equal to 0 has two equal roots. Then find the value of m. Yes, roots equal. D means what? B square minus 4ac is 0. B square 2. In this case, my friend, A is m, B is 2, and C is m. B square 2 the whole square minus 4 into what is it? A m, C m, each 0. So what is it? It is 4 equal to 4, m into m is m square. 4 is cancelled. So it gives what? M square equal to 1. So the value of m is what? Plus minus 1. Yes, my friend. The next example is slight different. It is slight different. See the change. Observe it. Yes. If the discriminant of the equation, next example, my friend. If the discriminant of the equation of the equation 6x square minus bx plus 2 equal to 0 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Then find b. Find b. Yes. What is the change here? Discriminant is 0. Instead of 0, the friend is given it is equal to 1. Then find the value of this unknown. Unknown is what? B. B. Yes, my friend. Yes. A is 6. B is minus B itself. This is middle term. B is minus B. C is 2. C is 2. Discriminant is 1. Given discriminant is 1. Given discriminant is 1. This equal to 1. B square minus B the whole square minus 4A 6 C is 2 equal to 1. What is it? B square minus 10. 24 into 2 is 48 equal to 1. So B square is 1 plus 48. 1 plus 48 is 49. Therefore, the value of B is plus minus 7. See, my friends, how they change the question. Same. Discriminant equal. Roots are equal means value is 0. Instead of that, What is if the discriminant of the equation is given as 1, then you have to find the value of that unknown. Unknown is what? B. This is the solution, my friends. This is the solution. Yes, friend. Yes. Next one. Next one. They have given the question like this. What is the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation? Next question is, I hope my friends have copied it. You have copied it. Next question is, what is the nature? Next question. What is the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation if its discriminant is 0. If its discriminant is 0. Discriminant is 0 means what? Roots are real and equal. Discriminant D is 0. D equal to 0 implies roots are real and equal. Yes, my friends, copy. Roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Even the same question, if the discriminant is 0, they may give objective type if the discriminant of the equation is 0. Next question is, if the discriminant b square minus 4ac is 0, then first A, roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. B, roots are real and equal. Real and equal. C, there are no real roots. There are no real roots. Fourth one, D, roots are unequal. Unequal and irrational. Yes, my friends. Roots are what? Real and equal. Second option is the answer. Roots are real and equal. Second option is the answer. Answer. Yes, my friends. Another is. Another is Find the discriminant. Find discriminant of the quadratic equation. This is 3 root 3 into x squared plus 10x plus root 3 equal to 0. Actually, I have done such a type because of all this little unhappy equation. Because of that, just I am considering this. Otherwise, you do it yourselves. What is A? 3 root 3. What is B? 10. What is C? Root 3. Discriminant. What is B? B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC. Put the values. B square 10 to the whole square minus 4 into 3 root 3 into C is root 3. Friend 100 minus 4 into 3 12 root 3 into root 3 root 3 into root 3 is 3. This is 4 into 3 is 12 root 3 into root 3 is 3. What is this? This is 100 minus 36. What is the value of the discriminant? Is 64. Is 64. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. Like this, another odd question. If wanted, you do it yourselves. Another odd question. This is, find the discriminant. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 2 by 3 into x minus 1 by 16 equal to 0. Same like this, my friends. This is another, the very purpose of doing such examples. Sometimes the examiner, they are simple actually. They may test by giving what? Odd examples like this, odd questions. Tell, what is A? 4. What is B? Minus 2 by 3. What is C? Minus 1 by 16. D equal to B square minus 4AC. What is B square? 4 the whole square minus 4 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 16. What is it, my friend? 16 minus, with this minus is plus. What is it? 4 into 2, 8. 8 upon 3 into 16. 3 into 16. My friend, 8 cancels with 16. 2. So what is this? It is 16 plus 1 upon 6. I hope it is clear. 8 into 1, 8 into 2. 16 plus 1 upon 3 into 2 is 6. 16 into 6 is 96 plus 1. Denominator is 6. Then what is the value, my friend? It is 97 upon 6. 97 upon 6. It is the discriminant. Sometimes they give some odd examples, my friends. Have patience, little patience, and do it. Write what 1 or 2 steps more here. Instead of simplifying direct here, write what 1 or 2 steps here. Yes, first this, then denominator, cancellation. Take one more step. Then this is what? 96 plus 1 is 97 upon 6. 97 upon 6 is the value of discriminant. You wanted what? Find the discriminant of this equation. Yes, my friends. Saying this, I do in another video the remaining part of what? Quadratic equation. That will be the last what? Class on this quadratic. Quadratic. Yes, my friends. We shall see it in the next video. Till, yes, do it. What we have done, my friends, do it before attending next class. See what is done by just looking at these examples. Attend. That is fine to you. Yes, my friends. Till to next class. Okay. Namaskara, namaste, namashinya. Yes, my friends.